Hey, it's John here for one last time before you start building your targeted audiences. I just gave you the opportunity to have your own rebranded version of Friend Connector that you could sell unlimited copies of for whatever price you want. Other white label license owners are making money from their instant software companies every day. And maybe that was a bit much for you. I get it. This has been a rough few years. Maybe it's hit you hard. Regardless, I really want you to have a profit opportunity here, and I think you want to make money too. We can still be partners, and you can still keep 100% of the revenue you generate. Your membership in my partnership program gives you 300 agency accounts for Friend Connector that you can sell for whatever price you want. You keep 100% of the revenue you generate by selling them. Or you could even eat the cost and include them in one of your offers. That's your option. You get the accounts for 99 cents each. Sell all of them for, say, $27 per month. That tallies up to $8,100 each month. Sell them for more, you make more. Pretty simple. There are just two catches. First, you don't get to rebrand Friend Connector with your own brand, rename it to whatever you want, add your own links in, etc. Therefore, you don't get to tell everyone you have your own software company. You don't get that ego boost. I get all the goodwill, you don't. Second, you don't get to sell unlimited accounts. You only get to sell 300, so there's eventually a ceiling on how much you can make. To secure your spot in my partnership program, just click the button below and you'll be in. If the button isn't there, that means you're too late and I've closed the program. See you inside.